Hi. Creating games and activities using myViewBoard is certainly a good idea. This not only makes our session engaging but interactive too. Today, let us see how we can use some of the basic tools of myViewBoard to create two activities. So here, the topic of discussion today is feelings. So in case I would like to go ahead and create activity around this topic, let us see what all I can create and do. So let me go on to my first slide. So I've already created an activity here. This activity is to learn vocabulary based on feelings. Now, as you can see, I have a lot of emojis here and a sticky note which says, click on the emoji to find the word. Now, I would like to ask my learners that what is the first word that comes to their mind when they see the first picture. In case I wish to annotate while asking this, I can annotate as well. So this is my picture number one. So I'm sure you all have answers in your mind too. Now let me go to picture number two and then the picture number three. So I have asked my learners, my students about these emojis. Now, in case I would like to reveal the answer, all I need to do is, as the sticky note says, click on the emoji to find the word. So what I need to do is, I'll click on the emoji and probably drag it here. So the word is happy. Great. So the first word is happy. The second one is angry. And the third one is bored. Let's see the fourth one. The fourth emoji says sad. The fifth one says surprised. And the sixth one here is shocked. So I have here few words to add to my vocabulary. In this way, I can create a short and a quick activity to make my learning interesting. Now let us see how I have created this simple activity. To do that, let me move on to the next page that I have. I have a plain page here on my screen. Let me take you through the process of making this page. To do that, I have simply taken a picture from Google's image search from Magic Box. Let me look for happy emoji. Okay, you can see I have a lot of emojis here. Whatever meets my requirements, let me quickly drag and drop it on my view board. So now I have an emoji with me. Let me just resize it. I have resized this emoji. Let me take one more. So probably I would like to take an angry emoji here. All right. Okay, so I really like this one. So let me drag and drop it to my view board. So I have two emojis here. Let me resize this as well. Now I would like to add the content, the text to my view board. To do that, let me use this text button T and write here happy. Okay, I can also change the size and it's done. Now as shown in the activity, I want that the emoji should be above or on the name, on the emoji, on the vocabulary, on the word. For that, all I need to do is take it here, and then there's an option of overlapping. Click on overlapping. So the first one is break it in the front, and it is done. So if I just enhance the size of my vocabulary, my word goes hidden. Let me do it again for the second one. It says angry, maybe bold. Then I need to choose my emoji, bring it here, and then bring it to front. And now I have hidden the words with the emojis. And in case I want to change or I want to reveal the word, it can be done easily through this option. Great. So let's move on to the part two, the second activity that I would like to share. So here uh, I have an image, right, that you have to unveil. What kind of a feeling is this? So let me help you by removing the sticky notes. So the more sticky notes I would remove, the more images I would remove, right? You would get less marks for it. So in case right now you cannot guess it, so it's fine. Let me remove this yellow one and probably now this orange one. Now if anybody can guess what's the feeling, okay, and let's try with one more. Wow, that's a happy feeling. So in this way, I have created a small kind of a quiz puzzle for my learners where they intend to guess the word or the picture which is behind these sticky notes. Now, how did I create this? Let us quickly take a note of this. So I've moved on to another plain slide. Any picture that you want, go to magic box and search it from image search. So let me say I want a sad boy. It will show me a lot of options to explore from. Let me choose this one. So I have a picture here. Now all that I did was to cover this picture with a lot of sticky notes. Now to get the sticky notes, click on magic box and then you have a lot of sticky notes option. I have added a lot of sticky notes here. And that's it. And now I can quickly resize them and place it the way I want. So let me do that again. So now let me quickly drag and drop them so that the picture gets covered. Great. Okay. Now you can see the picture is covered beautifully and the same or a similar kind of an activity has been created. So this is how you can create two simple and quick activities using myViewBoard.